just to help save y'all some time, because I know it's a lot of videos that keep talking on and on. I'm like, man, this is what it is. It's gonna be your starter. If it ain't this, it's your starter. If it ain't none of these up here, it's gonna be your starter. All right, the issue I'm having. Not doing anything. It's clicks. Well, y'all, ran into my first issue with my Durango. Very first issue, man. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. I think the security mode done activated in or something, brake switch. It's something going on, because it said, like, a remote started, tried to open the hood, and the car just cut off. It didn't open up. It didn't cut back on at all. All you do is hear a little click, and that's it. But yeah, man, it's just, I don't know. It's crazy out here, man. So we gonna head up here. I'm taking it up to the Dodge dealership, and we're gonna let them do their thing, see what's going on with it, and hopefully it's nothing major, not too expensive, because I'll be highly upset if it's super expensive. But yeah, man, it's I only had the thing for like 3 or 4 days, and that happened. I mean, it was running good. I changed the battery and it was going on. I was like, man, there's always something that happened to me with my vehicles, man. Like, I thought I was gonna be able to get something else and I was gonna be straight, but like, it is a used vehicle. I did expect to run into some issues, but there's no oil leaking, there's nothing wrong with the trans. So it's gonna be between the fuse, the 150 amp fuse, the fuse box, that brake switch, or the starter. I don't know what it's gonna be. Let's just hope it's a minor software reload, and hope I'm not spending $1,000 to get this truck back on the road. But if I gotta do that, then I just gotta do that. All right, y'all. So check this out. We back. Durango's back. Just gonna give y'all a quick rundown. Everything that I had to get done. So keep it short and simple. The no start, no crank, just click was definitely the starter. I called it from the beginning. I did have another issue with the evap system. It was an error code. I put that in the picture, put a picture of it in the video. So they went ahead and replaced that stuff too. So I got all that new evap system. Got the new starter. They also did some more stuff up under for me, especially like with the transfer case, the catalytic converters, all that. So I'll look at the invoice and see what they did. I don't think they put it on there. But if you run into an issue, no start, no click or whatever, you're gonna start up here. But this is where you jump your car off at and stuff, your negative post. That's gonna be your 150 amp fuse right there. So you can take this off. You don't have power here, you're not gonna get power there. But you could jump, you could do a little jump with a little box or something, cable, and jump it directly here to your fuse box. And you'll find out. You can jump it right here. If you get power there, crank it up, you're good. You know your power is gonna be your 150 amp fuse. So if you have power here, but you don't have power here, that means you're not gonna get power to the engine. So you see this wire right here, that runs directly to your engine. So you're not getting power through here, then you're gonna have a tipping problem, which they sell these separate online. You can get a new tipping, fuse, pretty much the fuse box, everything that's in there. Get all that taken care of. You can also check all your fuses in here, make sure everything's good. I'm just trying to help y'all save a little money if you ever run into this issue, you get a Durango or anything. So with that being said, yeah, it's a 5.7 Hemi. I like the clean look of it, but let me get the invoice. I'm gonna show y'all the invoice real quick. As you can see in the part number here, starter, the part itself was $236. The total price for everything was $1,345. That's with tax included. Labor cost, total part, $236. Tax. Reason for that high labor costs is because I have an all-wheel drive model. Now, if you had the RT model, the rear wheel drive, you probably will be looking at around $700 to $800. But because I have the RT all-wheel drive, it knocked the price up with labor because they had to take out transfer cases, skid plate. They had to take out the catalytic converter just to get back here to this darn starter somewhere back up in here. You can't get to it from the top unless you take off the AC compressor. So it's somewhere back up in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely somewhere back up in that thing. Like I said, it was a used vehicle, so I told them to go ahead, take care of whatever they need to take care of under there so I can get this bad boy back on the road. So all this video was for, just to let y'all know what you're gonna expect when you get that no crank, no start just click issue. For one, check your battery. Two, if your battery good, you're gonna have an auxiliary. Some of them have auxiliary batteries. They're gonna be up under the crank back there. That's in all Durango. It's gonna be right up under your passenger seat. So with that being said, you get that, check your battery here. You're not getting any power, then so start up there, check the power there, just to help save y'all some time, because I know it's a lot of videos that keep talking on and on. I'm like, man, this is what it is. It's gonna be a starter. If it ain't this, it's your starter. If it ain't none of these up here, it's gonna be the engine or anything like that. It's gonna be the starter. If you ain't got power or anything out there, or that after checking your battery. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna start it up for you just so y'all can hear it. Remember, I had to check engine light and everything. Running just fine. Perfecto. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is, man. I hope to see y'all on the next video. I hope I gave y'all enough information where you can kind of get a ballpark of what you're gonna be looking at. Like I said, it's also gonna be dependent on your state as far as taxes, but you're gonna be looking anywhere between $800 to $1,300. So just keep that in mind. If your starter ever go out and you don't have the tools to get up under your car yourself, or have a lift to do all this work yourself, be expecting to spend $800 to $1,300. Just wanted to put that out there. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.